drawings unfold. Civilization bold. Journey never cold. Dreams are bought and sold. Pixelated skies. Procedural supply.
Pixels on the screen glow. Level up, can't be slow. Game on, feel the flow. Keys tap, fingers fly. Rush high, reach the sky. Boss fight, never die. Win streak, aim so high. Game on tonight. Play all night. So bright.
Oh no. Ah, yeah, mic's on now. Hey, welcome to the stream, everybody. Oh my god, 56 minutes. That's okay. Okay. Hey, Raticide, what's going on? Oh my gosh, I feel so embarrassed. That's funny. Ah. But yeah, I missed the raid earlier. I apologize. What was I doing? I must have. I don't remember. I haven't heard anything so far. So maybe I should make it so that the raid actually makes a noise or something. Huh. I'll have to look into that because that's like a different event kind of a thing. Anyways, did you end your stream? Oh. Yeah, they do. Alright, cool. Well, I'm sorry I missed your stream. I'm streaming myself, so. Well, how was your stream? What do we got? Let's take out the 0.2, because what we want is a large number there. And this one, are we just going to make that a floor float? Yeah, let's leave that. I don't think that'll work. Yeah. So now I'm skeptical that this is even going to work here. Let's return a color that I know is going to work, and we'll at least see a color. Let's go with red, and I think that's yellow. Nope, too much data. Oh, duh. It's a vector 3. Oh, it's not returning it out. Son of a bean dip. It's probably been working, and it's a glitch. So it's supposed to be yellow no matter what. And now it's not working. So, computer, what gives? Oh my gosh. This is not right. Oh, duh. I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, cool. Well, no, at least I found it right here. Hold up, everybody. We're just going to get this just right now. Because we're actually going to define the color. Ho! Okay, now we're just going to return. Whoops, here, computer. Hold on. Don't do it. Okay, return color. Hey, there we go. That's it. Okay, so that is actually it, but we don't want this plus. We want the or. And that's what we're looking for. Yay! Okay, so nice. Let's reduce this to get a little bit higher resolution on that thing there. That looks better. And then let's okay, let's first fix this stuff that I had here to do every other point. There we go. So every other point's the funky one. And then we're getting that. Okay, that's cool. And then what we want to do is use FID to make, because these are all the same. Yeah, it's I am GUI text editor. I know. It's all I got for now. My custom GUI, when I do a custom GUI, gonna be way worse at first. Guaranteed. There's no way I'm gonna make a better GUI than this crappy one. And the only thing that really sucks is tab. It's because I'm so used to tab, but otherwise it's not bad. Okay, so, alright. I'm excited that worked after being frustrated for that little bit. Okay, so and this is the same here, and that's a low, I can just take that right outside the, and we didn't break it. Okay, so back to this now. So right in here, GL point card, and then So FID is going to be times 150. So what happens if we just multiply by FID? And I know that's an integer. Okay, each one's different, but that's a little too big. So let's just keep it. Oh, that looks funky. Okay, we don't really notice the difference until later. But let's go with, so the float ID goes up to 100, and the number that looks good was 150. So let's go. What are all these balls for? I think that's a good question. That's a valid question. I think that's a valid question. Okay, but I want this to be... hold on just a second. So let's multiply this times 2 inside here. Does that break anything? Oh, okay. That way it's a little bit more pronounced that they're different. But no, anyways, so basically each of these balls is actually 1 point. And each, this entire set is actually just 1 point. So let me explain a little bit. When I'm drawing, the vertex shader handles just the one vertex coming in from OpenGL, which is really all we're dealing with is 1 point. Is all we need to know. And then it goes through the next phase of the OpenGL pipeline, which is the geometry shader, which allows me to go to the top here, and I'll show you. I take 1 point in, and it allows me to put 100 points out in this case, because I know my crappy GPU has like some weird 115, 116 maximum points, so I selected 100. And then what I do is I just loop inside here and create the points in a uniform location throughout the screen. And oh, that reminds me, since this works, I need to save all of these shaders. So let me save the vertex shader, click save. Save the geometry shader, click save. And then down here. And then these get passed in. Basically the geometry shader then becomes, you set it up to where it's like running multiple instances of the vertex shader, only instantaneously on the GPU, which is really cool because it allows you to amplify or amplify geometry, in this case by 100, or cull geometry. You can get rid of geometry, which is kind of cool too. I've never done that, but I could imagine as you're going through here, that would be cool to do. So, okay, so this is my new default. It should be. Okay, so let's see here. I'm just gonna ask. Whoops. Where? Oh, sorry. I get so lost here. So this one, let's ask another question here. FID. And I want to vary the values with time. And I want to vary the values with time. Anyways, can you help with code for this? And that's not exactly what I want, but after this question answer, I will get the right answer. You can incorporate modify. Okay. Okay. All right. It's yeah. Oh, right in there. But no, I don't want to do it there. No, no, no. So let's do. Um. Okay, did it modify float FID? Okay, cycle. I hope I'm saying that right. I have terrible prompts, but the AI does quite well. Let's modify the coordinates. Okay. Show me, show me, show me. Cold prime time factor. Mod the time 1 cycles between 0 and 1. What? Art, what? Oh, no, no, no. I don't know. I don't know. Hold on. Scale equals time factor times that. Scale between 25 and 200. Oh. What? Oh. Why does it keep adding the plus? I love that. Computer, you're so... Ah! Ah! Okay, sorry. So we have such advanced AI, and then it's just like 300 baud in or output, and then copy paste in a really crappy. Okay, I'm gonna break this when I do this. So let's just hold on. Oh, this music, I love it. Okay, so let's make a 3. Because 2 works pretty good. We're good with 2. Okay, UV equals point chord scale. Alright, so foop and hoop and foop. Alright, computer. Did it change anything on the UVY floor 150? No. Alright. Update? Uh-oh. It didn't do anything. Oh, duh. Of course it didn't do anything. Because I didn't call 3. Oh, it's animated! But it's really fast. Okay, I don't want it to be that fast. So let's go right here, mod the time. I'm gonna get my audience dizzy. Let's go 0.25, slow it down. Cool, bruh. Cool. Oh, and they're all the same, so it's not using the FID. Hold on, cold prime 3, gel point chord, scale times float FID. Is that going to make it too big? I don't care. It does go too large. So let's just scale between 25 and 200. 200 minus 25 time factor. Okay, hold on. To the calculation, and it goes too large. Could you please help me adjust it? I gotta go, I gotta go. I already took like a major nap after I got home, and I just had some chicken and rice and just passed out. It was so good. It was so good. Okay, so what are you saying now? Here, time factor. All right. Time factor float right here. Oh, normalized FID range 1 to 10. Normalized FID? Oh, computer, getting fancy. Okay, so you're done. I can copy and paste if I'm lucky. So I think we're just adding those last two lines, but let me go into here. No. Okay, show me. Oh, it looks like it still goes a little too large. Let's tighten up the range because large numbers in there are not easy to see the graphics. I have such crappy prompts, you see that? We can normalize FD to a tighter range, 1 to 5. FID. Oh, I see, right in there. But is that really, I think it's the scale factor. Hold on. Alright, let's let it, I don't like to stop it from responding. Oh, will that do it right there? Okay. And then let's forget that. So normalize mod float FID. We don't want to do that. Okay, alright. Yeah, alright. You see, George, you've given a most lucid explanation and all that, but here we are. And we have to make the best of it. Alright. So this is what I want. That's it. And alright, computer. I just want this. That's it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone with your copy and paste. Okay. And then this we want to switch back because we don't want to normalize that. So 25 to 100 float FID. I don't want to mod this. Modded to 10. I don't. Oh, I see. We can just time it, times it down here. Normalized FID. So this is what. Yeah, I'm not even looking at what it's doing. I don't even care. Yeah, it's just going too high when it gets up to. So let's see if we can modulate the time factor. Okay, so time factor equals mod time, cycles between 0 and 1, scale, time factor scale between 25. Oh, it modulates the time. That's what I want, yeah. And this, I think that'll work. Okay. We'll see what this does. Then I gotta remember to save, but it's just the fragment shader. Okay. Oh no, what happened? Oh, nothing. And dun. What did I copy? Everything, okay. My brain is fried. I've been awake since 6 this morning. 4:30 I wake up. That's way too much. No. So can I undo? That's kind of good. Look at this. This one's better, but we also want to time factor times mod the time. Okay, scale. Time factor times 100 minus 25. Why is this multiplying by 75? Oh, that's cool, but the time factor here is... Now it's not going fast enough, but that's cool. Oh, that's a really small... Oh, that's because we're... Alright, well let's just... This is cool. This is why I did this. Oh, so the FID is really... So time factor, scale factor, and FID. So how about instead of multiplying by the FID, let's just plus time factor. Let's put it here. And then we don't need this normalized thing, but let's just comment that out because I kind of like the idea. And then we're going to take it out of here. So scale equals that. That's better, but then we're not getting a good plus FID. Time factor. So when I multiply by the time factor, it's just going crazy. Because that's 15. So if we want time factor and FID, that's going to be at most 15. That's going to be 100. It's 1500. Oh, that's why. So if we want this at most to be 100 times time factor, then we'll just go... Let's go 1 point. Can we do it like that? We can. That's cool. I like that this is really... This mod function uses floats. That's cool. Okay, so let's save that. Hopefully that saves that. Oh, that looks weird. It looks like it leans to the side, but it doesn't. That's because the time factor is kind of tight there. That's really wild. Okay, so let's make sure this saves. I think I have to click outside. This is another thing with GUI why it sucks, right? I have to click outside of the buttons and then click inside a button in order for that button to work. Like when I just clicked save before a few seconds ago, probably didn't work. But just to make sure this saves, because I really want to save it, I'm going to go into here. I'm going to save the vertex, the geometry, because I don't trust this thing. Okay, so let's go to the satellite map. So let's copy it. And then let's get the geometry shader. I'm just going to make sure it saves. Here's the geometry. Angel wings unfold. And then we'll go down here to the fragment shader. Copy that. There. Okay, and then we'll just save that as tonight's stuff. Because what I want to do is shut this down. and reload it and make sure that's the default. Oh, it is the default! Okay, cool. That took way longer than I thought it would and everything. It shouldn't do that? Oh, I am GUI shouldn't do a lot of things, bro. I think a lot of it relates to the fact that I use it with OpenGL, and IMGUI creates its own OpenGL context separate from my OpenGL context, and the two get mangled together in a really bizarre, glitchy way. Alright, well, let's see, who can we raid? Oh, well, then you haven't experienced. Actually, I've changed computers since then. I don't know, it's just been a while. Who should I raid? Any suggestions? Oh, practical oh, Ryan Art. Let's do Ryan Art, dudes. Let's go say hi to Ryan Art. He's really cool. Search and filter. Can I just look for Ryan Art? Yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for the raid, Quantum. You're awesome. Let's go start raid. This dude has a really cool tower defense, which is a tree. And he does really awesome pixel art. And so I just go raid now, right? Yeah. And then we can stop my music so I can hear what's going on.